Yeah, I purchased this SKS, Chinese SKS from Classic Arms. Um, One of the finest shooting weapons I've ever shot. Came in packed full of cosmoline, so you're definitely going to have to clean it up. Um, but the best thing I've found is boiling hot water takes it right off. But this is truly a nice weapon from Classic Arms. I did go for the all matching numbers. You can see a little pitting there on the bolt, but other than that, um, everything intact. Very nice. Uh, I bought several guns from Classic Arms and will do so in the future.